Hello, everyone. I'm Linda Peters, MBA Vice President of Exhibits, and we're glad that you'll be joining us for VBACE. We are excited to share the attendee data analytics that will be available to VBACE exhibitors, which will provide you valuable ROI. To begin, our virtual platform offers a number of ways for exhibitors to track and retrieve data on all attendees who visit their booth, and this can all be done in real time. Within each booth, there are a number of branding and content areas, as well as several other trackable areas which allow for an attendee to engage with an exhibitor and thus provide valuable data to you. Your booth content areas can include a variety of options, including links to websites, images, videos, or brochures. And when attendee clicks on any link, it's all trackable and will provide you with data. Over the next few minutes, we will walk you through the booth dashboard and share how you can access your booth data analytics. One of the key benefits of a virtual event is the enhanced lead retrieval tools that are provided in real time. Before we dive into what's provided, let's take a look back at what we all may have experienced at a live in-person event. Imagine this. You're all set up in your live booth. Your content brochures are displayed in the appropriate places, and your staff are in your booth and prepared to work. Generally, a couple of missed opportunities typically occur within your booth. For example, potential customers may enter your booth but may never really interact with staff. Or prospects who are just browsing and may be simply comparing your product to your competitors. Both types of attendees think they have found what they are looking for, but since they didn't interact with booth staff, they may have left without a complete picture of your company and its strengths. In your virtual booth, missed opportunities can be avoided since you will now have the ability to acquire information about every person that enters your booth and views your content. The available attendee data includes name, email, role in the decision-making process, areas of interest, and content views. Each of these are available in a report that can be run at any time during the event by you, allowing your sales team to quickly follow up with your customers. In addition to the downloadable reports, each exhibit booth will have access to a dashboard showing key information in an easy-to-view, colorful, graphical format. The exhibit booth administrator will have access to this critical tool. If you want to know what feature in your booth received the most attention or was downloaded most often, you'll be able to easily access this in the dashboard. In addition, you will now have solid data that helps you build a marketing campaign around that specific product or webinar. Now let's show you how easy it is to access the data analytics available to all VBACE exhibitors. For our demonstration today, we will show the behind-the-scenes views of the MBA booth. Let's start in the upper left corner with the hamburger menu. When you open the menu, you'll see a dashboard located at the bottom of the menu. Only those listed as your company's exhibitor administrators will have access to the dashboard and reporting system. Clicking on the dashboard button will open your company's individual dashboard and the activity that is specific to your company. Here you'll see the MBA's booth dashboard. Please keep in mind that since this event is not open yet, the numbers you see here are only a sample and not a true representation. Here you'll see the report that is closer to what a typical exhibitor would see during the event. High-level analytics showing the number of users, interactions in the number of views in the content areas are displayed on this dashboard. The colored graphs on the bottom, which display the splits between the various booth content areas that attendees are visiting and/or downloading. In addition to the dashboard, exhibitor administrators can download the raw data at any point during the event. While not yet part of our test platform dashboard, there will be a report button built into the top right-hand corner of this page. This will allow you to download data spreadsheet whenever you want. Now let's dive in and see what the simple sample spreadsheet report looks like. The spreadsheet provides data which includes the attendee's name, email, job function, and also when and where they interacted within your booth. For privacy reasons, attendees who opt out will not have their name or email included in this report. Since the report is in a simple spreadsheet format, the data is easily sorted, filtered, and provided for you to see what products were most interesting to visitors and also to identify marketing efforts that may not have resonated with your customers. As a reminder, only booth administrators will see these options. There is no limit to how many administrators an exhibitor may designate. In general, however, exhibitors should only have a few key staff listed as administrators, and it's probably best to limit this number to no more than 5. As you can see, the data analytics will gather more data than you could ever have received during a live event. This data will help your sales team to follow up with customers and tailor their message directly to the information that your prospects are most interested in. We hope that the information in this short video is helpful to you. If you have any additional questions about the data analytics or exhibiting at VBACE, please reach out to the MBA exhibits team at exhibits@mba.org. Thank you all for your time.